guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about how to fix the problem in your iPhone that your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. If you are facing the same problem that faced by me, you just need to follow the steps I will tell you in this video, which I made, and my problem will solve, and you need to follow same step and your problem will be solved. So let's start this video. Please subscribe our channel 0 to infinity. One subscribe for 1 hour hard work. So first of all, to fix this problem you need to contact Apple support when your account has been disabled but you have not made any illegal thing on the app. So what you need to do, write down your first name, last name, and then email. You need to fill your details of your name, email in your contact support option, and after write down your all the information, you just need click on the continue option. So I am here putting all the my necessary details and my email address. So you need to write down all the information right to go to the next page. So I am here entering my Gmail address. So after entering the Gmail address, click on the continue section. After clicking on the continue section, a page will loading will take place, and there is option help is on the way. You just need to wait while fixing this problem. So wait some time and a new page will appear here. You can see there are multiple types of option also came out there. So there is a direct chat option came out with the Apple customer, and we can now contact them and tell us about our problem, and they will simply fix this problem. And you just need to tell what problem you are facing and what happened. You just write down and they will fix your problem. Hope you follow these steps and this tricks work for you. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.